Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has emphasized the crucial role of the state's leadership as frontline partners in combating criminals and their nefarious activities across every corner of the state. He reassured the Nigerian military authority of the government's unwavering support in ongoing investigations to apprehend the perpetrators of the March 14th incident in Okuama. Governor Oborevwori, who made these remarks while receiving a military panel of inquiry led by Air Vice Marshal David Ajayi during a fact-finding mission on the incident, which resulted in the tragic loss of 17 officers and men of the Nigerian Army, reiterated his administration's commitment to enhancing peace and security in Delta State.
Following the murder of 4 officers and 13 men of the Nigerian Army in Okuama community in Ughelli South local government area of Delta State, the Nigerian Defense Headquarters set up a board of inquiry headed by Air Vice Marshal David Ajayi to investigate the matter. Last week, the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, received the board at the Government House Annex in Warri, highlighting the state government's effort to enhance peace and security, which is one of the pillars of his administration. Governor Oborevwori assured the Nigerian Military Authority of the government's unwavering support in its ongoing investigations to apprehend the perpetrators of the March 14 incident in Okuama, cautioning that innocent citizens should not be made to suffer any further.
We assure you that the information that you need, you gather it, we'll get it for you. And the people that you need to talk to, the DG Security, the Special Advisor on Peace Building and Conflict Resolution is here. They will also give you all the support that you need to put us together to see how that those who were involved were brought to book. Why the innocent citizens should be able to have peace too. We also come with our position paper to submit to you people before you will leave. That will also guide you the role that we have played.
Speaking earlier, Air Vice Marshal Ajayi said that the board was in the state to gather information on the unfortunate incident while expressing their readiness to work closely with the state government.
We are here on a fact-finding mission, not to apportion blame, not to say you are guilty or you should be punished or whatever, but to find out the fact about what has happened. It has happened, it shouldn't have happened, and we pray that it will never happen again, so that Delta State can move forward.
It will be recalled that 2 weeks ago, His Royal Majesty retired Air Vice Marshal Lucky Ochuko Ararile, the Ovie of Umiagwa, Abraka Kingdom, kicked against the military's supposed investigations, calling on President Bola Tinubu to order the Nigerian military out of Okuama and allow police investigations of the unfortunate incident.
I implore the President to revert the military and the services to their traditional roles in society. The army, enough of the army doing police work. Most of these problems are the issues of non-definition of roles.
In reaction to these and other concerns about the ongoing investigations, Chief of Civil Military Affairs, Major General Nosakare Ugbo, speaking at the 2024 First Quarter Civil Military Media Chat last week in Asaba, dismissed the allegations of the army taking on civil matters.
For those that say it's a police thing, the commander is just a military man. It's a robust structure rather than say these issues are civil. We are being deployed in aid of civil authority. So whatever we are even doing in those things are actually police duties.
Renowned human rights lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, who vehemently criticized the army for allegedly carrying out reprisal attacks on Okuama and other neighboring communities in the wake of the killings, and as well faulted the ongoing investigations by the Nigerian army, last week wrote to the Chief of Defense Staff, CDS, General Christopher Musa, asking to meet with the Ovie of Ewu Kingdom, Clement Ogeneru Kewe Ikolo, who surrendered to the police after he was declared wanted. Falana stated that the families of the monarch are worried about his safety as they have not been able to reach him since he was reportedly handed over to the military by Delta State Police Command. The Okuama incident has unearthed the many salient security challenges in the oil-rich Niger Delta region, prompting discussions on strategies to improve security operations and cooperation between various state governments, local authorities, and security agencies for sustainable peace and prosperity in the region.
Inside the Niger Delta,